Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Facebook Access Token. First, open your web browser and go to the Meta Developers website. You can search for it or go directly to the developers page for Facebook. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner. You will see options like Get Started or My Apps. Click on either of these options to continue. From here, find and click on the button that says Create an App. Now you need to enter some basic details for your app. Give your app a name that you can easily remember. Then select a use case or feature that fits your purpose. After that, choose Business as the app type. Continue by following the on-screen steps until your app is created. Once your app is ready, look at the top menu. Click on Tools and then select Graph API Explorer. This tool will allow you to generate your access token. Inside the Graph API Explorer, find the Permissions section. Here, you can select the permissions you want your app to have. Choose the ones you need for your task. After selecting permissions, look for the button labeled Generate Access Token. Click on it, and your access token will be created. You can now copy and use this token for your application. Thanks for watching.